What happens to your body when you eat cardamom every day? With a unique, sweet taste, cardamom is a spice that has been utilized in cooking and medicine for many centuries. Originating from India, traditional medicines have relied on cardamom extracts, oil, and seeds to provide numerous health benefits. In this video, we will delve into 10 different health benefits associated with cardamom, exploring its potential to enhance breathing, alleviate anxiety, and even serve as a mouth freshener. Stay tuned to discover more. 1. Improves breathing. If you are someone who experiences respiratory issues such as bronchitis, asthma, or wheezing, there is some positive news for you. Cardamom has the potential to improve breathing by increasing air flow to the lungs through its beneficial compounds. It can also clear the nasal tract, making breathing easier and smoother. The essential oils in cardamom have a stimulating scent that can enhance your body's ability to utilize oxygen during exercise. One study found that inhaling cardamom essential oil just 1 minute before walking on a treadmill led to a significant increase in oxygen intake. Moreover, cardamom may help relax the airways, making breathing easier in conditions like asthma. To experience these benefits, one can try cardamom aromatherapy by inhaling its essential oil through steaming or diffusing with a vaporizer. However, it is crucial to never consume essential oils, and it is essential to consult with a doctor before trying aromatherapy. Do you have any breathing problems, and what methods have you tried to alleviate them? 2. Lowers blood pressure. Thanks to its antioxidants, cardamom has the potential to help lower blood pressure. A study was conducted on individuals with high blood pressure who were given 3 grams of cardamom powder daily. After 12 weeks, their blood pressure levels significantly reduced to a normal range, and their antioxidant levels increased by 90%. Experts suggest that cardamom has a diuretic effect, meaning it increases urination to remove excess water from the body, leading to lower blood pressure. Studies on rats have also shown that cardamom extract can increase urination and decrease blood pressure in animals. One can incorporate cardamom into their diet by sprinkling it over cereal or using it as a seasoning on desserts. 3. Helps fight cancer. Cardamom has been found to possess anti-cancer properties and may help combat cancer cells. Research studies suggest that cardamom powder can increase the activity of certain enzymes that fight cancer and enhance the ability of cells to destroy tumors. One study involved mice with skin tumors that were given cardamom supplements for 15 days, resulting in a reduction in the tumor's overall size. Additionally, cardamom has been found to contain a compound that inhibits the growth of oral cancer, as per research findings. 4. Treats digestive problems. Similar to its cousin ginger, cardamom may also aid in treating digestive issues. The spice is often blended with other medicinal spices to relieve nausea and vomiting. If conventional remedies for ulcers have failed, cardamom may be worth trying. In a study, rats were fed a combination of hot water, cardamom, turmeric, and sembung leaf. When exposed to high doses of aspirin, gastric ulcers developed inside the rats. However, the rats that received the combination of extracts developed fewer ulcers than those who only received aspirin. Cardamom extract may also reduce ulcer size by about 50%. Additionally, studies suggest that cardamom may protect against H. pylori, a bacterium responsible for stomach ulcers. To make a stomach-soothing tea with cardamom, one can add 3 crushed cardamoms and 2 peeled slices of ginger to half a liter of water in a large pot. Allow the mixture to boil fully, then strain it. Your cardamom tea is ready to relieve your digestive problems. 5. Fights inflammation. Cardamom is abundant in compounds that can combat inflammation. A long-term inflammation could lead to chronic diseases like cancer. Antioxidants in cardamom can halt inflammation and safeguard your cells from harm. One study demonstrated that the consumption of cardamom powder in rats decreased liver inflammation. Another rat study showed that cardamom extracts efficiently inhibited 4 different inflammatory compounds. You can enjoy cardamom tea in 2 different ways if you like tea. You can make plain cardamom tea, or you could try Indian-style cardamom tea with ginger. Both types of tea can be beneficial in combating inflammation. 6. Treat bad breath. Are you someone who regularly uses breath mints? While occasional use is alright, using too many of them can harm your oral health due to the sugar content. Sugar buildup can cause the growth of bacteria in your mouth, leading to dental problems like bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. So what's the solution? Cardamom. Since ancient times, this spice has been used to treat oral conditions and combat bad breath. It can fight the mouth bacteria that causes cavities and has been shown to kill over 50% of the harmful bacteria in your saliva. Chewing on cardamom pods for 5 minutes can also help balance the pH level in your mouth, which can prevent dental cavities. Next time you run out of breath mints, consider buying green cardamom pods instead. Not only will it freshen your breath, but it's also a healthier and more cost-effective option. 7. Lowers blood sugar. Cardamom has been found to be effective in reducing blood sugar levels too. In a particular study, rats were given a diet that was high in carbohydrates and fats, which led to an increase in their blood sugar levels. However, after being fed with cardamom powder, their blood sugar levels decreased. Cardamom can also help in boosting insulin levels. In another study, individuals with type 2 diabetes were provided with green cardamom. After a period of 10 weeks, the participants' insulin and hemoglobin levels had improved. 8. Treat infections. Cardamom possesses antibiotic properties and contains compounds with antibacterial properties in its extracts and essential oils. Research has demonstrated that cardamom extracts can inhibit the growth of fungi, preventing fungal infections. Additionally, cardamom can prevent food poisoning by killing off salmonella and combat the bacteria that cause stomach inflammation. 9. Protect liver. Cardamom is valued for its detoxifying properties in various forms of medicine, as it aids in the elimination of toxins from your body while also strengthening your liver. If you're concerned about this, you'll be pleased to learn that cardamom extract can help lower cholesterol, triglycerides, and elevated levels of liver enzymes. It also lowers the risk of fatty liver disease. How does it work? Cardamom has the ability to prevent liver enlargement and weight gain. Obese individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver were given green cardamom in a study, and it was discovered that it had beneficial effects on their liver health. 10. Treat anxiety. Cardamom extracts have been shown to reduce anxiety, which is often linked to low levels of antioxidants in the blood. Since cardamom is a rich source of antioxidants, it can be particularly beneficial in this regard. Additionally, cardamom has been found to potentially aid weight loss, with studies suggesting a connection between the spice and reduced waist circumference in women. To reap these health benefits, you can consume whole cardamom or use powdered cardamom in cooking. However, if you have an allergy, it's important to consult with a doctor before using cardamom. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.